Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to add ICP account on your Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. So follow along. Open the Cypherock desktop app. On the top right, select Add Account. Select the wallet and the ICP coin. On the X1 vault, confirm the coin. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 vault. Your accounts are being synced. If you already have ICP coins on this wallet, then it will be displayed here, or else add a new account. Your account has been added successfully. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to add ICP account on your Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Well done!